Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we're breaking down a super important topic for business owners, the difference between copyrights and trademarks. If you've been wondering whether to copyright or trademark your logo, business name, or product, this video is for you. We'll walk you through the key differences, what can be protected, and how to make the best decision for your business. And if you want to simplify your business formation process, be sure to check out Northwest Registered Agent, where you can form your LLC for just $39. Link is in the description below, so stick around until the end for more info on that. Now let's jump right into it. So first, let's discuss what's the difference between a copyright and a trademark. First off, copyrights and trademarks serve two different purposes. A trademark protects anything that identifies the source of goods or services. This could be your business name, logo, or even a specific color or sound that your brand uses. Think about the golden arches of McDonald's. You recognize a brand without even needing to see the logo. That is the power of a trademark. On the other hand, a copyright protects original creative works like writings, musics, or art. It's all about the ownership and control over the reproduction or use of that work. If you're a writer, photographer, or musician, copyrights apply to your content automatically as soon as it's created. Next, let's discuss what can be trademarked or copyrighted. So let's break it down simply. For trademarks, you can trademark words, logos, symbols, sounds, colors, and even scents, in some cases, anything that distinguishes your brand in the market. And for copyrights, this protect creative works like books, photos, songs, blog posts, and films. So if you're trying to protect your brand identity, go for a trademark. But if it's your creative content, a copyright is what you're looking for. Next, how do you get a trademark or copyright? Trademarks require an application process. They are not automatic, and you need to file through the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office or USPTO. This gives you a legal protection to prevent others from using your brand's name or symbol without permission. And for the copyrights, they are automatic. Once you create an original piece of work, you are automatically protected under copyright laws. No need to file, although you can register your copyright to enforce it more easily on court. And now lastly, when should you use a copyright or trademark? Here's a practical example. If you have a business logo and you're worried about others copying it, you should trademark it to protect your brand's identity. If someone's alter your logo without permission, it's not just a trademark issue. It could also violate your copyright. That's why both protections can sometimes overlap. And that's it. So now that you know the difference between copyrights and trademarks, the next step is protecting your business the right way. If you're looking to form an LLC and need help navigating these processes, Northwest Registered Agent offers LLC formation services for just $39. You can find the link in the description. They'll handle all the complicated legal stuff and save you both time and hassle. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.